I have the recipe you need for academic success. You'll need clear goals, time management skills, a support system, and some healthy habits. Preheat your academic mindset by setting clear, achievable goals. Mix time management skills and healthy habits, and sprinkle in asking for support as needed. These skills, along with art, geography, and even history, are the lessons the students participating in the Culinary Arts program at Dyke School of the Arts are learning. And they're this week's A+ award winners. Chef Cartwright has been working as a teaching artist for 3 years. But he's not just a culinary artist. He's also an actor, singer, and makeup artist, and has taught programs for different disciplines. Chef's classes are not about lecturing. He thinks that hands-on learning, along with theory and ethics, are a recipe for success in and outside of the classroom. Every lesson is a friendly competition among classmates. One of the challenges was to make the most appetizing strawberry shortcakes they could. And Alora won with her adorable kitty cakes. A-sharie and Amyla learned how to write a recipe to share with other people. They had to write up clear step-by-step instructions and list out all the ingredients for the recipe. A-sharie picked a delicious buffalo chicken dip recipe, and Amyla wrote about an easy-to-do orange chicken meal. 7th grader Sasha really likes that the school offers this elective and looks forward to class every Friday. The program is also designed to teach the students to be self-sufficient. Self-sufficient means being able to take care of your needs without outside help. Chef Cartwright teaches them about home economics, but in a relatable way. The chef also told us that knowing how to cook healthy food is important to be self-sufficient. And sometimes it could be as easy as adjusting a recipe, like making fried rice with cauliflower instead of rice. All the students said they loved that recipe. Nico, an 8th grader, wants to be a professional chef, so it comes as no surprise that this is their favorite class. Nico especially likes to recreate fried chicken recipes from restaurants. Yum. But Elise, on the other hand, wants to be a pastry chef. That's a chef who specializes in baked goods. Elise's favorite part of the class is getting to try different foods. Christine Madden, the director of programs at the Center for Arts-Inspired Learning, told us that this culinary arts class is just the latest program they have partnered with the school to put together. They also have courses that support teaching through art and music. Students tell them that they really like the courses because they get job readiness and resume building skills. This week's A+ award goes to the Culinary Arts class for learning good communication skills and home economics, all while cooking up some delicious and nutritious meals. Great, now I can't stop thinking about lunch.